Install the support bracket at the rear of the printer, then tighten all screws. Install the paper core onto the winding shaft. Thread film B onto the support rod. Install film B on the printer and tighten all screws. After film A is firmly secured, peel off the protective cover. Feed the adhesive side upward from bottom to top. 2 people are required. One feeds the film, and the other receives it. Before ink feeding, unlock the orange Copeland component by turning the adjacent button. After threading the film, align and secure it within a 4 sheet of paper, then lock the roller to prevent detachment. Align B film perfectly with a film, then press feed key to thread the films through rollers. AB films are aligned.